Hi everyone, I'm Christy and I am going to be leading the sew along for the SED Juliette cardigan. I know you can't see all of mine and I cannot back up far enough to show you, but I am wearing a Juliette that is the long length and I did not do the pockets on it, long sleeve, in a really beautiful sweater knit, and I am wearing it over top of a high-low Savannah. It makes a super cute outfit. And it's a really easy sew, but we will be breaking it up into 3 days to make it super manageable. I am going to be making one today in a French terry, and it will be the mid-length, and I will be doing the pockets and long sleeves on it because it's cold here and I need all the warm, cozy cardigans. Alright, let's talk fabric choices for our Juliettes. I've already shown you mine in a sweater knit. And told you that I'm going to be making one in a French terry. They are both awesome choices for cardigans. You can also use fabrics like double brush poly or single brush poly. You can use bamboo, rayon spandex. Modal is a good one for a lightweight. Just as long as your fabric has the proper stretch, it should work for your Juliette. So get creative, just pick out something that you love and you're going to be comfortable. Now for choosing your size, you want to take your measurements and follow the measurements. Don't try to just go by what a size, a ready to wear size that you purchased. Trust the measurements in the pattern because they are spot on every time. You may have to make personal adjustments, but as far as the measurements, follow them. For all SED patterns, they are drafted for a height of 5'5" with an 8-inch side waist, and we have lots of tutorials. There's help in the group if you need help figuring out how to find your side waist length. To choose your size, you want to start with your upper bust measurement. That will be your base size, and then adjust accordingly. For me, I have to make one size for my upper bust, my bust, and my waist, and then grade out one size for my hips. So just look at the measurement page and pick your sizes accordingly. Do any necessary grading so that you can get the best fit that you can have. Okay, so to print your pattern, you can choose any of the options that we have. There's the copy shop format, which is the large print. There's projector, there's edge to edge, or there's overlap. It honestly doesn't matter which option you go with, just whichever. It's really personal preference. So we'll go ahead and print out our pattern and choose our proper sizes. Okay, so I am back and I have cut out all of my fabric. I have got my sleeve pieces, the bands for the front. I've got my pocket pieces here, and a tip that I like to use for the pocket pieces is 1/4 inch wash away hem tape. It will help hold your pocket in place to make sure it doesn't shift on you while you're sewing it on, and it will also give you a little bit extra stability to sew through, so it's not so finicky with your sewing machine. I have got my back piece cut out, and then my 2 front pieces, which are mirror images. Another thing, while I'm thinking about it, with your pocket piece, I like to, on the pattern piece, just cut out where the pocket placement is. That way you can just lay your pattern piece right on top of your fabric when you're sticking the pocket down, and you can use that as a guide. All right, I have everything cut out. So go ahead, you're gonna wanna print your pattern, cut out your size, and cut out all of your fabric pieces, and then come back tomorrow and we will start constructing our Juliettes. I hope you have enjoyed today, and I will see you tomorrow.